CLAT GK stressing you out with 250 days to December 2026. I've got a 30-day plan to master it. This is going to be viral. Share it with every CLAT aspirants. GK is 25% of CLAT. Current affairs plus some static. Start this in April. Days 1 to 10. Newspapers. 1 hour of daily reading of the newspapers is a must. Focus on March 2024 to March 2025 news. List 5 headlines every day. Days 11 to 20. Static GK. Polity, Constitution, Basics of History. Post 1857, Geography, Maps, Rivers. 1 hour every day. Plus quizzes. Days 21 to 30. Legal GK. Landmark cases. Keshav Nanda Bharti. Basic laws, torts, IPC. Mix it with current legal news. Tools. CLAT Possibles. GK notes. Free YouTube sessions. Test yourself weekly with our 50 questions. By May, GK will be in your pocket. Keep it rolling till December. 30 days to GK glory. Tried this? Drop your score in the comment section and subscribe for more CLAT tips.